service? How do we differentiate it? How do we market it? How do we show that it makes a difference? So what kind of evidence do we need? So it showed the critical need to get good research. This was why this Korean study was very good, because it had good research. And also the importance of partnering with people, how do we get partners on board, who are the partners, and some of the links that you might do between this kind of work and other things to do with our lifestyle. So you start off at the top of the funnel like this with health and the environment, and then it suddenly becomes into everything, every part of your life, and this project becomes the solution to all of life's problems.
I'll just about finished now, actually. So I think that was about it, really. Does anybody think I've missed anything out from our group? No. Yeah.
Thank you. Good use of the microphone. Diana, would you like to summarise from your team?
Sure. So our group began, we had someone from Congo, someone from Spain, and then we had someone joining later from the Woodrow Wilson International Center. So at first we started with this sort of dichotomy of what's it like for you, what's it like for you, and then we converged and realized that largely for this particular audience, we're seeing this time of despair, time of crime and lack of hope, and needing to make things concrete and practical, and come look at the basic benefits that Healthy Parks, Healthy People with the holistic approach provides, which would be nutrition, and maybe it's family planning, maybe it's reaching out to the margins of the community, so reaching out to the poor, the impoverished, the prisoners, the unemployed, and giving them hope. So bringing, perhaps maybe even a meal is needed to be served, and then engage in this conversation that then can take steps forward to looking at actual health benefits that might look more long-term. So starting with concrete and then moving in, well, actually long-term we acknowledged for many of these people would already be in their immediate world. So climate change they would be experiencing and could be addressed. And when we looked at sectors and interests, there was definitely an interest, again, in engaging dialogue with these workshops, and thinking that as in the case of Nepal, that the community dialogue in a workshop would be a really good beginning point to bring the community together. And then a strong sense that if research is to happen, it should be practice-based. So again, this concrete feeling of not just research to create more volumes and more data, but to have practice-based research.
Great, thank you. As our numbers are dwindling and it's just about time to finish, I'd like to thank you for participating in that short workshop session and just exploring and touching on a few ideas. A couple of things to leave you with and thoughts to go on with the rest of your journeys. There is a motion here that the US and others have contributed to, so there'll be a motion on Healthy Parks, Healthy People being presented here and voted on here. In addition to that, the US, as Diana has already indicated, is hosting a Congress and Expo next year. So again, there are some nice little opportunities there to continue these conversations, and I'd encourage you, if you're interested, to contact Diana, myself, or Mary Lou, and I guess find out some further information. So thank you everyone for your continued support here and your participation. Thank you.